6:13 this morning, worth looking at the national temperatures and how far north the 70s go, which for places like Des Moines, Kansas City, they should not be in the mid to upper 70s. That is above normal for them. I mean, Kansas City, all the way up there, just 2 degrees cooler than Brownsville. The main focus of this ridge of high pressure, which is strengthening over us too, but the main focus of it is up to the north. So this is where temperatures are going to be most above normal. In fact, even in Minneapolis, temperatures are going to be around 93, 94 this weekend. That's about the same as we're going to be. We're going to be a little bit warmer than that, but for Minneapolis, that is definitely above normal. So get ready for hearing a lot about the heat, which actually is about time, I guess, because it's been rather cool in many places in the Midwest so far this year, but they're going to get caught up this weekend. The good thing about that ridge of high pressure being focused to the north, while it's bad news for folks up north, our temperatures are going to be normal for this time of year. We're not talking about those heat advisories coming back. It's when that ridge of high pressure, wherever you're under the center of it, that's where the heat is the worst. And unfortunately, I think starting 4th of July, it's going to start shifting back south and our heat is going to get worse. In the short term, the high pressure ridge is not right over us, so there's still going to be a little bit of sea breeze activity. We're talking about a 20% chance of showers and storms today. I think it's going to start around noon in Cameron and Willacy County. Then the sea breeze will drift to the west, and it all depends on where those showers and storms drift. Could it drift over McAllen? Yes. Could drift over Edinburgh? Yes, or it might not. It just depends on where those showers and storms ultimately drift. By 4 o'clock, though, things are going to start winding down, and I think by 7 o'clock, we're all going to be looking at mostly sunny skies and no more rain to worry about. Your Friday night plan's looking perfectly fine. Tomorrow, the ridge of high pressure is getting a little bit stronger, so that means the sea breeze is going to get weaker, but it's not quite dead yet. I've still got to leave in a 10% chance for a few showers to come in, but a whole bunch of us are going to stay dry tomorrow. And I do think that by 6 o'clock, probably even an hour earlier than today, we're all going to be dry. And Saturday night, looking dry as well. High temperatures today, mainly in the mid-90s, but a little bit warmer out west, 99 in Rio Grande City, and a little bit cooler towards the coast, 93 in Brownsville, 88 out at South Padre Island. Everybody has a chance of seeing showers and storms, but a slightly better chance towards the coast, slightly smaller chance the farther west you live. Everybody dry tonight, and these temperatures about normal for this time of year. Most of us in the mid-70s, perhaps the low 70s out in Starr County, upper 70s closer to the coast. For the weekend, a 10% chance of showers each day, partly cloudy skies. Again, variable cloud cover. Mostly cloudy in the morning, but becoming mostly sunny in the afternoon. Temperatures about the same each day. If we want to get specific, I think the humidity is going to be slightly higher on Saturday, so that's why the heat index 101, the heat index 100 on Sunday, but feeling about the same both days. Looking ahead at your first Storm 5 AccuWeather forecast, the rain chance drops for the weekend, but then starts to go back up next week. Now, I will say an update from yesterday, it doesn't look as wet Monday through Wednesday, but the best chance of rain is still on Tuesday. It's still a 40% chance of showers and storms by the 4th of July, 97 and mostly sunny. That is going to be our hottest day over the next week.